In the fast-paced world we live in today, surveillance systems play a crucial role in ensuring public and business safety and security. For decades, closed-circuit television, CCTV cameras, have been the backbone of surveillance networks worldwide. But as technology advances, a new era has dawned upon us, the shift from analog to network cameras. Let's feature the process of upgrading CCTV surveillance systems from analog to network systems, uncovering the benefits, challenges, and the future of surveillance technology. Our journey begins by delving into the origins of CCTV surveillance systems. In the early days, analog cameras captured footage, which was either never recorded or recorded and stored on tapes. Analog CCTV surveillance cameras further advanced to high-definition HD or 1080p megapixels MP. Digital video recorders DVR were developed to convert analog video from cameras to digital format for compression and storage. This advancement has earned analog cameras a good name, but still has great shortcomings. These analog systems required extensive wiring, has considerable complexity in installations, and limited capabilities in scaling, compression, clarity, and adapting to technological advancement. However, the advent of network cameras marked a significant turning point in the industry. Network cameras, also known as IP cameras, leverage the power of the computer networks and the internet to transmit and store digital video data. Unlike analog cameras, network cameras offer superior image quality, flexible installation options, and advanced functionalities. These cameras can be integrated with artificial intelligence algorithms to enable smart analytics, improving the efficiency of surveillance systems. Now let's take a closer look at how CCTV systems are upgraded from analog to network cameras. This process involves replacing analog cameras with network cameras, installing network switches and configuring a network video recorder, NVR. Technicians carefully calibrate each camera, ensuring optimal placement and alignment for maximum coverage. With the upgrade complete, it's time to explore the advantages and challenges associated with network cameras. Network cameras offer high-definition video quality, allowing for clearer identification and improved evidence collection. However, the shift to network cameras brings forth new challenges, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. As technology evolves, the future of surveillance technology holds exciting possibilities. From drone surveillance to facial recognition, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming the way we monitor and protect our communities. But as we embrace these technologies, it is vital to strike a balance between public safety and individual privacy.